In this video, I show you how to use Polygon GPS joystick rather using a Ninja GPS joystick. Some people have issues with this. So once you have a Polygon installed on your cell phone or your tablet, and you have to have a root and all that set up, and you have to have a Pokemon Go app installed and already configured with your user ID and password. So open your Polygon app and then click on joystick, and now first you have to set up your select location. So whenever you start your joystick, it will take you to that location. So it's saying you don't have a draw permissions, so you go and say okay, allow, go back, and then say select location one more time. And the best place is San Francisco by Fisherman Wharf in California. So that's the best location. So you have to go Sacramento, San Francisco, and up here is the location right here, and you say select location. So now your location is set up to there, and now you have to start. Click on start. You say you not have the mock location, you have to set up your mock location. Just search MOCK and then allow mock locations, and it is all the way on the bottom. Say Polygon, okay, and now go back and click on start and say allow, and it should ask for the root permission. Let's say click one more time, start. Close app. Okay, say allow. Your phone shouldn't say Polygon is crashed. Mine is very low profile phone, so that's why it's crashing. But on your cell phone it shouldn't, if you have a good powerful cell phone. So right now it's starting the Polygon. Say okay, dismiss. So now you have to go here and say Polygon is running. You click on it, it'll give you more settings options which you cannot normally get. So you click on settings, and then you click on the third one, say joystick, and then leave everything as it is. So you're going to use, and then you go back and then go advanced, and then it's a built-in smelly patcher. You click on it, okay, and then you leave everything as it is. I think somewhere it's adjust tab, Pokemon show joystick, okay, and then advanced built-in spelling manager, yeah, everything looks good. So click on this, you go back, Polygon is running, you click on start, okay, I'm sorry, you go home, you go close, you go stop. You stop the Polygon with the new settings we just implement. We start the Polygon again, click on joystick, start, granted user, and now you should see the joystick here on your screen. It's taking time to load. Okay, dismiss. Now when you click, my phone is not set up, so it's sad. That's why I'm getting the fail to detect location. I'm making this for education only, the video. So when you click on it here, you click map, it'll show you where you at. You close this here, and then you can use the joystick here to move around. Because failed to detect location, the reason I'm getting this, and that's how you normally basically you're done here. Let me see if I can fix this, because I'm on the Android 12 and the Polygon doesn't work with Android 12. So there is the option to go back to advanced. It's a enable A12 fix. So for Android 12 you have to enable that, because I'm on Android 12. A12 is Android 12. So let me go here and I go to Polygon install.